How to change iPhone personal hotspot name. So, in order for you to change your personal hotspot name, you should change the name of your phone. So, to do that, you just simply go to Settings, and then go to General, go to About, and go to Name right here on the uppermost part. And then, what you're going to do here is to change the name of your phone. For example, I will just type in John right here and simply click on Done once you are done. You may also add emojis by clicking on the emoji section right here on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're happy with your name, you may now go click and Done, go back here, turn on your mobile data, and go to personal hotspot and make sure to turn it on. Now, you have changed your personal hotspot name. So that's it. That's how you can change iPhone personal hotspot name. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.